Give us the fridge unlock and I'll be able to do crime again.
It was
If you want the
sick,
fridge
bro.
unlock.
It was awesome.
Yeah, fridge unlock.
Yeah, give us the fridge unlock.
Then we can do crime again, you know?
Come on, man. Give us the fridge unlock,
Come
bro.
on, give us the fridge unlock. Unlock the fridge.
That's the real Tommy T on Twitter right now. You see that? Tommy Tinker.
Give us the damn fridge unlock, damn it.
Look, man.
I'm gonna break it.
What? Hey.
Give us the fridge unlock. Tell us. Unlock it.
Give me that
Break my
fridge,
fridge, man.
Unlock.
Jesus Christ.
I hope the fridge breaks when you go into there to sell it.
What the fuck is that?
It's my fridge, man.
Fridges?
Apparently so. He won't
How's it good?
unlock
How's it
us
good?
though. He's just hoarding the fridge for himself.
How the fuck you still have
How
that
do you
fridge
get
in your
a
hand?
fridge?
Yeah, Marie.
How's this possible?
Come here.
Hey, you want some?
Whoa,
Smack you on the face of my fridge.
Wait, chill.
Smack you on the head.
Oh shit, chill.
Bro, I'll smack you on the back of the head of my fridge, man.
How many push-ups
Punch
you do, man?
him
Relax,
with the fridge. Hit him.
Please.
You know, the one that we put in the tuna shop's been there for 3 days and no one can move it.
Fridge, bro.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
Man's flexible now.
Oh shit, you hit you with a fridge, bro.
What a fucking goal, man.
Why would you do that, man? You wanna go round 2, bitch?
Do you want to go round 2? I don't think you do, man.
Wait, hold on. Let's see something real quick.
Whoa.
Brace for impact. Brace for impact,
No,
right?
please, I beg. Okay, you can fuck it. Let's do it. Fuck it, let's do it.
Alright, wait.
Ow!
This fridge is not covered, man.